What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. Does your fireplace remote look like this? The battery cover's missing. I have to press down on the batteries to get the screen to actually show up. You can see it going out there when any kind of movement hits it. Let's get this fixed. Welcome to the channel. Alright, so I'm going to post a link in the description to buy one of these Skytech remotes as well as control box off of Amazon. As you can see, we want to start out by filling the remote as well as the receiver box with new batteries. As a reminder, this is the same as the old remote. It just has an LED backlight, which is kind of cool that it lights up blue. And there's yet another example of my current remote working but being super annoying. All right, let's go ahead and get started with how you're going to go about this process. Use the link to make sure you buy the right remote. Go down to your current box. You can disconnect the little cover there and pull your current control box out of your fireplace. We're going to replace that too, just to make sure that it does not go bad as we replace the remote. So as you can see, there's two wires going to your fireplace coming out of your control box. What I want you to do is follow those lines, get them untwisted if they currently are, and keep track with which tab goes to which tab on the box. So pretty much here I am unraveling it, and I'm taking a look on the back of the box to see, is it the left side or the right side that was at the top? Is it the left side or the right side that was at the bottom? Put them side by side and just swap that out with a one-to-one swap. So make sure they go in the correct place. I'm not sure if it matters if they're backwards, but it's always best to put it exactly the way that you had it when you're replacing. All right, so we have our new box connected and installed. You can see it there. Now let's go to our remote. You see that LED backlight looking awesome. If I press on once, twice, as you can see, the fireplace remote is not working currently. And that's common. So here's what I want you to do. First, let's ensure that your remote control box is properly set up. Switch it from remote, which is the middle position, to the left, and that's going to manually turn it on. That's how you know that your connections were properly made and there's no wires that are loose. Let's turn the center, let's turn it back to the center, which is remote. Grab a toothpick, paper clip, whatever you have that's small, and hold down that reset button, that learn button. And while you're holding that down, I want you to look at the remote and it's going to pick it up automatically. Now, if we push the center button to on, the fireplace works. The second click takes it to thermo, which tells it to turn off when it gets to a certain temperature, and the third click is off. So we're back in action. You see it working again here one more time. On, thermo, once it gets to temp, and then off. So everything's good. You're back in order. We need to put that base plate back on. And also, don't forget to save the batteries out of your old system whenever you're throwing it away. That is important, just to make sure you're not getting rid of something that still works. So I've got a 1-year-old that's really excited to play again versus his dad making a YouTube video, and I'm going to get back to him, but there it is in all its glory. I hope that this helps you guys save some money on a repair cost that can be done in, I would venture to say, 3 minutes or less. I was able to do it in that time, even while making this video. There's dude on his tractor. We're back at play. Let's go.